Meaning of flash flood.
Flash flood.
Flash flood.
Flash flood.
Flash flood. A flash flood is a sudden and rapid flooding of a low-lying area, typically caused by heavy rainfall. The water rises very quickly and can be extremely dangerous, as it can sweep away cars and people. The result of a flash flood is often devastating, causing damage to homes and property, and loss of life. The floodwater can also contaminate drinking water supplies and lead to the spread of waterborne diseases. It is important to take precautionary measures during a flash flood warning, such as staying indoors and avoiding driving through flooded areas.